Hi friends, hello. So I realized that this week's lab has some math in it that involves latitude and longitude subtraction. And maybe for some of us it's our first time doing it. So I'm providing one more video that's separate from the Zoom recording, just so it's a little bit more accessible. You don't have to try to scramble through the Zoom recording to be able to find it. So let's do it. First of all, I want to just remind us of some general subtraction rules. Maybe it's been a while since some of us have done longhand subtraction. So say I were to subtract 37 from 45. So I'm just going to set that up longhand, right? 37 minus 45. In order, 7 can't be subtracted from 5 without it being negative, and we don't want negative. We're always positive around here. So what we want to do is borrow from this 4. Thanks, 4. You're so nice. So no, that's a 3, and this becomes a 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Thus, 45 minus 37 is 8. I know, seems simple, but it's a good thing to remind ourselves when we are doing other kinds of subtraction that involve borrowing and adding and things like that. So, in terms of latitude and longitude subtraction, we're dealing with time. So I know it's kind of a weird concept, but we can divide up degrees of latitude and or longitude further into minutes and seconds, just like one ruler is divided into inches and centimeters, or inches and and centimeters, like all these other small little units of measurement. So same idea, just applied a little bit differently. Okay, so say I have a map, a really cute map, and I am trying to figure out how long that certain map is. Maybe I'm going on a road trip and I need to, for some reason, need to know how many lines or how many degrees of latitude are between one spot and another. So let's consider that my northernmost latitude is, 53 degrees, 45 minutes, and 0 seconds. That's my northernmost latitude. And then say that my southernmost latitude is 50 degrees south, and let's see, what's a good one? Let's do 50 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, so we're going to have a lot of subtracting and substituting going on here. Oops, southern. Okay, so northernmost latitude, 53 degrees, 45 seconds, or 45 minutes, and 0 seconds. And the apostrophes indicate whether or not it's a minute or a second. 1 apostrophe is a minute, 2 apostrophes is a second. Just like 5 feet and 11 inches, which is how tall I am, the feet is indicated by 1 apostrophe, the inches is indicated by the double apostrophe. So just a similar sort of thing, but just dealing with time. Okay, so we have to start all the way over yonder, right? Because we can't start from over here because that's cheating. We have to start from over here. Okay, so we can't subtract 30 from 0 without things being negative. Remember, we're always positive. So we need to go to the next line. Can we subtract 45 from 50? Unfortunately not. So we have to subtract from our degrees. And in 1 degree, so thanks degrees, you're so kind. Whoop, this is so weird to write from this way. 1 degree of latitude is the same as 60 degrees, or 60 minutes. So, so then this becomes, so 45 then becomes 105 minutes. Yay, now we can easily do that. However, we still need to figure out what's going on over here. How many minutes, or how many seconds are in a minute? 60, right? So, We're going to take 1 minute from here. Thanks, minutes. You are so sweet. And add in 60 seconds over here. So now we can properly go through and do subtraction, right? So 60 minus 30 is 30. So we have 30 seconds. 104 minus 50 is what, 56? 56, right? Yeah, 56 minutes. And 50 minus 52 is 2. So the length of my north to south map is 2 degrees, 56 minutes, and 30 seconds. Let's do another example for funsies, right? Let's say we're going from east to west. That was actually a little bit more than I had anticipated. So let's go from east to west, shall we? So let's instead go from, like, say we want to do like the width of California, width of Northern California. We're trying to do a straight drive, right? So let's do 125 degrees, my westernmost latitude, west. It's going to be 125 degrees, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. We just right straight up on that latitude, or longitude, excuse me. And now my easternmost longitude is going to be something more like, let's do 120 degrees and 30, oops, no, not 30, let's do 52. 52 minutes and 30 seconds. Make sure I have everything properly labeled here. Okay, so here we have it all set up, yeah? My westernmost longitude being 125 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. We straight up on, right up on that longitude. And my easternmost longitude is 120 degrees, 52 seconds, and 52 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm so sorry, I'm getting all these mixed up. So we have to do our borrowing system again, yes? Because I can't subtract 30 from 0, that would make things negative. I also can't subtract 52 from 0, makes things negative again. How rude. Okay, so I'm going to angle this down just a little bit more. Okay, so do some borrowing. So 125 degrees then becomes 124 degrees. 60 minutes then becomes, or 0 minutes becomes 60 minutes. Tight, but we still need to borrow another minute because our seconds is still trying to be negative. So we instead make that 59 minutes and 60 seconds. So this is all still true, correct? And now we can do subtraction without any negativity. Wonderful. So 120 minus 124, 4 degrees. 52 from 59 is 7 minutes. And 30 from 60 is 30 seconds. So the width of my theoretical California is 4 degrees, 7 minutes, and 30 seconds. So I subtracted my easternmost longitude from my westernmost longitude. In my previous example, did the opposite, did my southernmost latitude from my northernmost latitude. Everything should be positive, right? And everything should hopefully work out in that manner. Whether or not you think you have the correct answer, hint, 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 for the lab, is look at what kind of map this is in the top right corner of the map. And if you get that, then you likely have come to the correct answer. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. I'm happy to try to walk through these kinds of situations with you one-on-one. If you got it, calm, cool, and collect, you all good? Then continue on, my friends. Have a great weekend. Wear a mask, wash your hands, don't touch your face, and socially distance. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye.